Hey everybody, David the Gimpy Homesteader here. Didn't get to collect eggs yesterday, so we're going to collect 2 days worth today. And it's been raining on and off, so we'll see how they look here in just a minute. Got a few on the ground, but it's not muddy, so let's see how many we get here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Don't know what that was about. 11, 13, 15, 16. No, that was 17. 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 30, 32, 33, no, 34, sorry, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, the one right beside the bag, 47, 49, 50, that's 50 from one coop. Got some in this old coop, see if I can get them out. 1, yeah, that's 51, 53, 45,